Tired of juggling between your Zoho Bigin CRM and WhatsApp just to keep up with your customers? This video will show you how to seamlessly connect Zoho Bigin with Interakt, unlocking the power of WhatsApp Business API directly within your CRM. Let's get started. First, log into your Zoho Bigin account. Make sure you have administrator privileges to install the Interakt extension. Navigate to the marketplace by clicking the settings icon, usually found in the top right corner, and then selecting Marketplace or Extensions. In the Marketplace search bar, type in Interakt and press Enter. Find the Interakt extension from the search results and click on it to open the details page. Click the Install button. You'll be prompted to accept the terms of service and grant necessary permissions for Interakt to access your Zoho Bigin data. Review them carefully and then accept. Next, you'll be redirected to Interakt to configure your WhatsApp Business API credentials. This typically involves entering your Interakt account details or connecting your WhatsApp Business account. Follow the prompts and provide the required information. Once configured, go back to your Zoho Bigin account and open a contact. You should now see the Interakt widget integrated within the contact details page. From here, you can send and receive WhatsApp messages, automate follow-ups, and manage customer interactions, all without leaving your Zoho Bigin CRM. Explore Interakt's other features like message templates, automated workflows, and analytics to optimize your customer communication and boost your business. Now you are all set.